Good day, Sir Madam. My name is Irene Rosana Riliama, 26 years old. I am from Talisay, Uwas Albay, Philippines. I am happy with my live-in partner. I have one son, age 5 years old, and one daughter, age 4 years old. My highest educational attainment is vocational course taking up shielded metal arc welding NC2. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years and 4 months. I serve one couple and one set of twins aged 13 years old and one elderly aged 72 years old. I also work as domestic helper in Taiwan for 7 months. I serve one couple and one special child aged 21 years old and one elderly aged 86 years old and one disabled person aged 62 years old. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, gardening, marketing, and also taking care of a special child, elderly, and disabled person. My future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to finish my contract, treat your family as my second family, and I promise to do my best to meet or exceed your expectation in fulfilling my duties and my responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible, Sir Madam.